Hey creator, it's Rob here and welcome back to vidIQ. In today's video, I want to show you how our browser extension tools can help guide you through that all-important step, uploading your video. From title suggestions to seeing what your video will look like on YouTube before you press publish, to optimizing your entire video with a single click. Let's check it all out, shall we? Once you have the vidIQ browser extension installed, all you need to do is upload a video via the desktop YouTube studio as you normally would do. Once you start uploading a video to YouTube, down the left-hand side here, you'll see a collection of icons that represent different parts of the optimization process, from the title, description, video tags, and so on. And each of these buttons automatically shortcut to that area of the upload process. At the very top here is the optimization score, and it will basically track how well you've optimized your video. If you click on it, it will give you a breakdown of every single aspect of the video, from title, description, thumbnail, and so on, giving you a score for each one. You can drag this window wherever you want, so it can be floating. And if you click on any of these categories, it will give you more of an indication of what you've done well, but also what needs work in terms of optimizing the titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and tags. Now, you may have already noticed here that vidIQ is recommending some titles without you having to do anything. And that's because during the upload process, we are scanning the video for its content and its context to make recommendations. So any of these titles, which are already graded in terms of an optimization score, I can click and it will simply insert that title into the box. If I'm not happy with any of them, simply click the refresh button and it'll give us a brand new set of titles for us to work from. And as you can see, every time we insert a new title, it is adjusting the score over on the left-hand side here of the icons, and also on the right-hand side, telling us now how we're doing better with the title and increasing the optimization score. Now, something that's very new to the upload process is the A/B testing of titles, where you can test up to 3 titles with a video. And literally, as I've been recording this video, vidIQ has also added A/B title testing. So we have this floating window where you can pick 3 of the suggested titles to fill up those boxes. It updates the optimization score, as you can see. You can also minimize this title suggestion window. And right at the bottom here, we have a magic fill button that I'm going to tease for now and show you how it works a little later. Underneath the title, we have a description, which is completely blank at the moment. But as we said earlier, vidIQ is scanning the video for its context. So it already has an SEO-rich description to add. Now watch this time. When I add the description to the box, it automatically updates the score on the left-hand side to represent your progress in the upload workflow. And if you're not happy with that description, you can simply refresh it for another one immediately. On to thumbnails now, which do require a bit more work, but we can still help you with them. In this example, I've already uploaded a picture of myself to use as a subject. And then I'm just going to type in the prompt that I want some YouTube themed analytics in this thumbnail. And then it will generate 3 thumbnails for me. And remember, it is still taking into account the context of the video. These were thumbnails that have been generated, and yeah, they're not bad then. I can either use this thumbnail or take inspiration from it, maybe use it as a concept if I have more thumbnail design skills. But in this case, I'm just going to take the thumbnail as is. As you can see, it's updated the score on the left-hand side as well. So already we have a title, we have a description, and we have a thumbnail all generated for us by vidIQ. Now this is where we can take advantage of a really powerful tool over on the right-hand side, which is the thumbnail preview feature. If you click on it, what it's going to do is take your thumbnail and show it on a mock-up of the YouTube homepage to see how your packaging looks versus other random videos on YouTube. Does it stand out? Now, if you want to get specific, you can change the topic to, for us, let's say YouTube growth. And now it's showing how our thumbnail and title will compare against similar channels making similar videos. There's loads more customization stuff you can do as well, such as rewriting the title or uploading a different thumbnail. You can even change the YouTube layout. Let's see how this video looks on a search page. Let's swap out some of our videos. Let's place our video in a different position on the list. Let's have a look at it from a mobile layout. The customization options here are endless. Although, yes, I'm not sure about light mode. The big win here is that you're effectively going into the future to see how your packaging is going to look on YouTube before you even press publish. It means less risk and more confidence in the videos that you're creating. Last and probably least, to be fair, are video tags on this screen. We'll use a shortcut button to jump straight down there. As we've been saying throughout, vidIQ has already scanned this video and added some tags for us here. It's also got more suggested tags, and I can simply click the plus button to throw more in. If I wanted to get a new batch of suggestions, I would simply click the refresh button to see more ones associated to this video, which is about another one of our Chrome extensions. So let's continue to add them to the point where the video tags have got a maximum score. And now we have an optimization score of 93. Now, this doesn't guarantee YouTube success, but it does mean that you're giving your video the best opportunity to succeed before you press publish. And now I'm going to undo all of that hard work because I've got a little bit of magic I want to show you. So all of the tags are gone. We're going to set the thumbnail back to one of the defaults. We're going to remove the description and we're going to set the title to something simple to ruin the optimization score. And it's all because of this button here, the magic fill button. When I click it, it does all of the work we've just been talking about over the last 5 minutes in seconds. It inserts a title, it adds a description, it will generate a thumbnail and add it to the video, and it will also create those video tags for you. Pretty good, right? Now from here, you can upload your video as normal until you reach a final screen, which is visibility. Typically, we recommend scheduling your video so that it can be processed up to its highest quality. YouTube can do its checks and the video is published when your audience is online the most. So we set the video automatically to scheduled and a specific time based on your audience's activities on YouTube. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the rationale for that. Totally up to you whether you want to do this, but it is one of those final recommendations we suggest in the vidIQ tools for uploading your videos. Now, the awesome news here is that all of the functionality you've just seen in the upload workflow is available when you're editing a video after you've uploaded it. So if you need title suggestions, as you can see, they're there at the top. On the right-hand column here, we have a thumbnail preview, the best time to post in order to schedule a video. If you want to add a description, the option's there. Generating a thumbnail, it's all exactly the same as what you've just seen in the upload workflow, along with adding video tags. The only thing that's changed really is the layout, because those icons and that scoring that you saw before, it's all now down here at the bottom of the screen, along with your floating window to give you that optimization score. What you've seen here is a tiny sample size of all of the tools vidIQ has to offer, from channel data to video insights to deep topic research. So if you want to learn even more about how vidIQ can help you on your YouTube journey, check out more of our tools here.